Hi, I'm Russell O'Halloran, RH Wood Floors. I'd like to talk to you today about moisture levels. Moisture level in the substrate, normally concrete, and moisture level in the wood floor. Every decent wood floor contractor should have one of these, or something like this. It is a moisture reading kit. The one we use is a Tramex moisture meter. Simply flicks on and it can read both wood and concrete. We have a couple of different probes. They're all spring loaded to read concrete. You just hold it down, push it down and read it, and take probably between 9 and 12 readings throughout the room so you know exactly where the concrete is at. Come back a week or two later, read again at those same points, and you know the rate then at which your concrete is drying. This probe can also be flicked across to test the moisture in wood. So I simply plug it in, get our wood floor, push it in, and it tells me that this is at 8.7%, which is perfect for wood flooring. Any decent wood floor contractor must have moisture gears. If you don't, it's kind of like buying a car without the tyres. You don't know what's happening around you. You won't get from A to B. You're fundamentally chancing every wood floor installation. We test absolutely every single job we do, both the substrate and the wood itself. I'm Russell O'Halloran, RH Wood Floors. Thank you for listening.